What's the meaning of changeless? Changeless. Changeless.
Changeless. Changeless. The word changeless means something that does not change or is unchanging. It refers to a state of constancy or permanence and can be used to describe a variety of things, such as a person's personality, a physical object, or a situation. When something is changeless, it remains the same and does not go through any transformation or alteration. This sense of consistency and stability can be comforting, but it can also lead to stagnation if it prevents growth or adaptation. Overall, changeless suggests a state of reliability and predictability, but also a lack of progress or evolution.